If you're like me and you really dig enduro or motocross, you must have heard of MICHELIN Bib Mousse. And if you haven't mastered it yet, don't panic! Neither have I. Let's head to the workshop.
Do you know the one thing I hate while dirt biking?
Is it getting mud on your goggles?
Yeah, that's pretty annoying. But I meant tire punctures.
No worries, with MICHELIN Bib Mousse, there's no such thing as tyre punctures.
Sounds promising.
And today, we'll go through everything you need to know about it.
Whatever type of off-road you're into, a tire puncture always means game over.
Indeed. But fortunately, in 1983, Michelin came up with the best invention, MICHELIN Bib Mousse, and its effectiveness has been proven with some great records over the years. 36 victories in Dakar since 1983, 22 world titles in Enduro, and 7 world titles in motocross.
Wow, it's got quite the reputation then. But how does it work?
It may seem like a humble pool noodle, but don't be fooled. It's actually a technical wonder made to avoid tyre punctures.
Are there any things we need to know prior to using it?
Yes, MICHELIN Bib Mousse is best used with Michelin off-road tyres. And you should know, it's not authorised for highway use.
Gotta keep that in mind. And is it only made to prevent tire punctures?
Yes, that's the main purpose, but you'll see it's lighter than a reinforced tube, which helps improve your grip and your handling.
Ah, that's good to know.
Some important points you should know about storing as well. It should not exceed temperatures of 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and its date of first use should be no later than 18 months after manufacture.
Gotcha! I can't wait to check it out. Maybe I finally spend more time on the bike and less time done in the dirt. Now, how do you fit it to the bike?
You always need to use Bib Mousse gel, whether you're putting it on or taking it off, whether your Bib Mousse is new or used.
And how do you apply it?
You must distribute the gel inside the tyre without getting it on the tyre bead or on the rim. Use half a tube on your front Bib Mousse and a whole tube on your rear.
And how long can I use my Bib Mousse for?
Bib Mousse lasts about 6 months after its first use, but keep in mind it varies depending on your motorbike. Enduro, for example, will have less impact than motocross and therefore make it last longer.
Makes sense. So that means I can do lots of riding anyway.
Indeed. And when those 6 months have passed, don't forget to properly recycle your Bib Mousse. And if you have any doubts, everything from setup to recycling can be found within the box, as well as some cool stickers. When riding on Bib Mousse, you need to warm up the tyre before getting to a fast stage by driving at a medium pace and progressively increasing your speed.
Gotcha. And what about the tyre pressure? Is it different when using Bib Mousse?
When using MICHELIN Bib Mousse, the tyre will have an equivalent of 0.9 bars.
Thanks for your explanation, Andy. And the sticker.
You're most welcome, Thomas.
I think my bike is going to thank me for installing Bib Mousse. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks to maximize your riding experience. See you next time at the workshop.